Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another review on a product that I've had for a while now, and I also have plenty of other Shea Moisture products that I need to review for you guys. So without further ado, I will be reviewing the Sugarcane Extract and Meadow Foam Seed Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. Shea Moisture, these names, I've discussed this with you before. By you, I mean no one in general at all, and have just said it aloud is what I mean by discussing this with you. Shea Moisture, why are these names so long? Anyways, this one is with marshmallow root. It says it's for all hair types, and from what I can gather from the interwebs is that this is supposed to be a comparison product to It's a 10 styler. It's a 10 has been out for basically forever. I can't even remember a time when It's a 10 was not around. So I don't have that here today to compare it to. I do remember loving It's a 10, but it's been years since I've used it. I don't remember having the issues with It's a 10, but it's been so long ago, I honestly can't remember. I just do remember liking it. But yeah, so that's all I can say as far as It's a 10 goes. So I'm just going to review this product as a standalone, not a comparison to anything else, because I can't think of anything else to compare it to. So let's get into it. All right, so first I'm just going to tell you what it says. It says, miracles do happen. This leave-in treatment does it all. Detangles, nourishes, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, smooths and reduces frizz, enhances silkiness, and protects against thermal and environmental damage. An innovative blend of sugarcane, meadow foam seed oil, marshmallow root, and nourishing botanicals make this high slip formula great for tangle free manageability and hair health. Leaves hair smooth, soft, and lustrous. We're here for lustrous. Alrighty, so the instructions say to spray into the palm of hand gently and run fingers through dry styled hair or mist through damp hair prior to the detangling or heat styling. Style is desired. For extra shine, apply product to wet hair, blow dry, and style is desired. So the method that I did was I applied to wet damp hair and I blow dried my hair. Now I did blow dry it during using a new blow dryer, and if you haven't seen the video to that, I will link it down below. But it is the Revlon brush dryer. That thing is life-changing. But anyways, I did use it with that, and my first initial thoughts were I was surprised at the amount of slip it gave, just based on it just didn't seem like it would. The conditioner is definitely on the thicker side. I don't know if you can tell, it kind of slowly moves. It's, you know, extremely thick. It's almost like a cream. So the fact that it's like a cream and not really watery, I didn't expect it to have slip. It was an amazing slip. Like, it wasn't something that I would write home about. Like, I didn't think the slip was absolutely amazing, but I do think that it did help with the detangling process. So that being said, I definitely think, like I said, it has slip and it gives your hair a little bit more manageability. Now my hair wasn't soaking wet when I detangled it. Like I've mentioned before, I detangle my hair when it's like towel dried, not when it's wet, or even like you know, kind of, even if it's not soaking wet. Like basically, like I just said, how many times am I going to explain towel dried? Why didn't I just leave it at that? Why did I feel the need to expand more? I didn't need to. I didn't need to go further in that. I didn't need to delve deeper. Could have just left it at that. Anyways, yes, that is how I detangle my hair. I'm so hungry. Like, you're not you when you're hungry. As far as the smell, you guys know I love to talk about the smell. It smells like a very sweet florally perfume. This is going to sound so weird. I don't know if anyone will be there with me, but it kind of smells like Steinmart. What? I like the smell of Steinmart. I don't know why, but I feel like Steinmart has this smell. I don't know why I feel that way. It almost smells Kirklandish, but without the Christmassy vibes. Like this, the description I just gave you isn't helpful at all, by the way. I want you to know that I am aware that those are probably the least helpful descriptions ever given on the notes of something as far as the scent is concerned, but I'm just putting it down. Y'all don't have to pick it back up. My biggest concern when I saw that you could use this hair for blow drying was I wondered, would it weigh my hair down? And the conclusion that I arrived at was yes and no. If you apply the leave-in very conservatively and not so liberal, I think you can get away with it now. Again, I have fine hair, and when I say fine hair, I mean the actual diameter of my hair strands is not as wide as other people's. That's what I mean when I say fine hair. I don't mean I have thin hair, I mean I have fine hair. So I have fine, medium density hair. So when I say that, I mean I have about an average amount of strands on my head, but these strands are very small in diameter. You got it? So I have to be very careful with what I put on my hair, especially if I'm going to be wearing it in a straight style, or else it will weigh my hair down very easily. My hair is easily weighed down. Even with water, if I were to drench my hair right now, my hair stretches to about 75% of its length, maybe even 80 with water. That's how much it stretches. So anyways, that being said, I realize when I edit my videos back, I say anyways a lot. Anyways. Anywho, I have to be very careful with that. So I do think it can be used for that, but with my hair, I don't know if I would 100% reach for this as a leave-in, because I really don't even use leave-ins like that. Like, the only leave-in I probably would use on my straight hair is the Affinity Green Tea Restructurizer, and that's because it is almost like water. So that's just my opinion. If your hair is coarser than mine, or if you have hair that is thicker than mine, like you actually have more strands on your head, maybe you can get away with it. But for me, I have to be very careful. So if I was gonna flat iron my hair, I would legit like spray like maybe 2 pumps into my hand, rub it, and kind of just mainly focus like on my ends. Like, that is it. That is all for me, which I'm okay with, because that means this product will last me forever. So do I think it's worth $16.99, which is how much it is? I do. I really do. The fact that for me, I can use so little and it goes a long way, I definitely think it's worth that $17 price tag. Also, for my hair when it's curly, if I want it to be hydrating and not so moisturizing, especially when I like to layer leave-in. So this would be like a leave-in that I would use first, and then I would layer like a thicker leave-in on top of it for my curly hair. I feel like it left my hair feeling so soft, and like I said, even more manageable. And I feel like it just really delivered on all of the things it said. As far as adding silkiness, I do think that my blow dry turned out a lot silkier than it would had I used like a blow drying cream and not as stiff. You know, some products can make your hair super stiff. I did not experience this at all. Like I said, it came out extremely silky. It provides thermal and environmental damage, so I'm here for that. I do feel like my hair had a nice little of shine added to it. I honestly do not know about the blow dry time, whether it was cut down or not, because I did use a new blow dryer with it, and I was just able to generally blow dry my hair faster. But I want to say it possibly could have cut down on dry time, because I do feel like my hair started drying quicker, but that might have been all in my head, because that's what I'm thinking it's supposed to do. So placebo effect possibly. So perhaps maybe disregard that, or regard it, but regard it with, like, you know, grain of salt. I don't know. So anyways, I'm gonna stop saying anyways. I'm gonna stop saying anyways. Although, is that a good? I don't like although. It seems like I'm negating the previous statement before that. That's not a good transition phrase. We'll come back to that later. Anyways, it's canceled for the rest of the day. I was about to say it again. Alrighty then. So I'm so weird. Definitely feel like the product was more on the weightless side. I don't feel like it added any additional weight to my hair. My blow dry definitely still felt fluffy and, you know, soft, and I was able to get my nice fluffy blowout curls that you guys know that I like to do. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted a short little tutorial of it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's my heatless wand curl hacks video. I will link it down below if you are so inclined to watch. But yeah, overall I was surprised how much I liked this product after I found out what it did. I thought it was I thought it was just like a regular leave-in before. I didn't know it was geared towards straight hair until I start seeing people use it on their straight hair, and I was like, oh, excuse me. But I wasn't brave enough to use it on straight hair just because I just know my hair. Like, I just know my hair. If I ever use it on my hair straight, I will definitely let you guys know in like another video, or usually if it's a follow-up on a product, I kind of let you guys know on my IG stories or something like that. But as far as I'm concerned, all signs point to go. I really like this product. I think it's worth the $17. I would repurchase it again. I don't even have to catch this on sale now. A sale is always encouraged. I will pick it up during the buy one get one sale, not now, because this will take me legit probably like 2 years to go through. I'm not even exaggerating. This is how long this stuff will last me. So if you've tried it, let me know what you think. Let me know how you think it compares to Sssssooooo. Like I said, I've never tried it in comparison to Sssssooooo because it's been a minute since I have. So let a plan know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go eat something because I feel like my words aren't, complete sentences are hard to come by at this present moment because I feel a little bit of hunger coming on. So I'm going to go ahead and go take care of that. But yeah, like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you have not joined the family already. I've mentioned it's almost time for cookout season. So, you know, go ahead and get ready to grab some plates, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, thank you for all the birthday wishes yesterday. It was my birthday. Honestly, that morning when I woke up, I forgot it was my birthday. That's what happens when you get older. You're just like, meh, or at least for me. So, thank you so much for all the birthday wishes you guys left me on Instagram. You guys are so sweet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Go Aries season. Woo! Bye, guys.